Hello and welcome back to CreativeCat. I found this beautiful home decor idea as an inspiration. Let's make it. I'll make my workstation ready. I like to do sculpting on such kind of ceramic tile. I cover it with plastic sheet. I'm using my homemade clay. You will find link for the recipe tutorial in description box. Always condition your clay before making any project with water. I have fast forwarded so much part of this video so you can see each and every step, and I tried to make it as easy as possible so even a beginner can make it. Whatever product I'm using in this tutorial, you will find links for all of them in description box, or you can just ask me in comments. I will message you. For now, enjoy sculpting. So the sculpting is done now. I will leave it overnight for drying. The lower part is still little wet. You can sand the dry part to make it more smooth. I'll finish the back side. Now I'm making a temporary mold using cardboard for base. For base, I'm using fast setting plaster of Paris. It dries in few minutes. You can also use clay for it. For painting, I'm using acrylic paint. I'm planning to use gold leaf for flowers. So first I will apply gilding glue and let it dry. Now apply gold leaf. In the end, finish it with varnish. So that was the video, guys. Let me know in comments what you think about it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.